Let's just matter before we have that thing to that. I could have been one of those who got into it. I could not. That was the reason of it. There was a good contact. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. And the responding guy is one appear. Yeah, every time should be the matter. And Mr. Panda is not here. Yeah. When do you end? This has a personal. I mentioned that there is more than the letter of Mr. Elton, to think that there are an examining of the matter and then that certain person in terms of well, that's it. We have to have a relation to this matter. This matter.
Mr.
M. Lago, no, sir.
M.
M. Lago, Elizio.
You're not there.
Yes, no, sir.
You're making this prayer on behalf of?
C. Modi.
The Learned Council for the sole respondent submits that he be granted 2 weeks' time to file his objections in the matter. His file is an affidavit in opposition in the matter. First, prayer is not objected to by the Learned Council for the petitioner. Accordingly, registry to list this matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by you.
Lordship, interim may be continued.
Interim order, if any, to continue till the next date of listing.
May it please, Lordship. My lord, this is a revision petition, my lord, filed by the complainant here.
Enhancement of punishment.
My lord. My lord, matter of
Wait. It is up, it may extend up to 10 years. What is the error in that 3 years? And say there is no eyewitness.
Here only the
no eyewitness.
My lord, only the question arises whether the enhancement of the punishment imposed as per the section
Section
246.
346 says up to extend up to
Life,
10 years.
Life, my lord.
Life or with
or
imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 10 years.
10.
Now tell me, who is the eyewitness? It is all circumstantial. They have not filed an appeal. Have they filed an appeal against this conviction?
They have filed, but I am the my lord complaint.
They have filed an appeal.
Yeah.
Where is it? What is the number?
Number actually,
You get that number. We'll have it together.
And my lord, I'll praise you, my lord. Section 7, 158 is the judgment.
I got it.
Judgment para 54 or 53, 54, 55.
Okay.
There is
But
evidence.
So and so, Learned Council for the Learned Council for the petitioner also heard Mr. G. Tadu, Learned Council appearing for the Learned Additional PP appearing for the respondent number
1 and 4. Your Lordship, here
respondent
respondent 2 is
3 is not required actually.
Yes, and two, it is addressed to Secretary Home come Director Prosecution. Director Prosecution is not yet exist.
Oh, it's not there.
This has to be represented by government advocate.
My lord, actually, we have came cross the my lord, through newspaper. So, newspaper is also think
The
now.
petitioner saying that I will accept it, but Mr. Son saying that I will not accept.
So your
For
So
response
let
number
the
1 and 4.
notice be issued, my lord.
Petitioner. Full stop. Mr. Issue notice, returnable 4 weeks. Mr. Tadu accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1 and 4. Full stop. No formal notice is to be issued. However, requisite copies of the petition, of the revision petition be furnished to the petitioner, to Mr. Tadu. Full stop. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 by way of registered post as well as by way of usual process steps within 3 days. Register to list those matters again after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by.
Your lordship,
Much
for 2 and 3, government advocate may be reflected in cost list. Cost list, so that
he will have to wait. They are not necessary parties. Let him take steps. Next day we'll ask.
Obligement.
What about me? After. Yes, Mr. Ede. What to do here?
Settlement, man.
Matrimonial dispute. Yes, madam. Take your breath. Be calm. Yes.
We have filed this application under section 528 of the
Mm.
DNSS for
Mm.
question of charge sheet number 475,
Mm.
2022, under section 448,
Mm.
453,
Mm.
427,
Mm.
380,
Mm.
34 of IPC. Your Honor. And
Petition number 1 is the mother of petitioner number 2.
2, yes,
And mother-in-law of petition number 3.
3, yes,
And petition number 4 is the brother of
Brother.
petition number 3.
yes.
Okay. Why should we quash it? Petition number 2 has taken away everything without any consent.
Your Honor, it's basically a matrimonial dispute, Your Honor. It has been colored as criminal offense.
Next date is in July.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Mr.
Yes.
Disposed of. Allow. You'll get the order day after.
Obligement.
Send it. Yes, you are appearing in all the cases.
No, Lordship, item number 3, this is my friend, Mr.
4 and 6 you are appearing.
Yes, 5 and
And-
6.
And who is there in 5? You are there in 5 also. You are there in 6 also.
6, not in 4.
Not
Oh,
in,
my name is reflected.
Ah.
That is represented by Mr. Kolita.
who is Mr. Where is he?
Kolita.
Where is he?
But we can heard it. Even then that can be.
Mr.
that can
Kolta
be
appeared on the
separated.
last occasion.
Yes, that can be separated also.
So your in
Issue is-
Murthy, in item number 5, he is a named accused.
Yes,
Item number 6 is also named accused.
yes,
Only the petitioner in item number 4 is not a named accused.
yes.
Yes, Mr. Tadu. Where is Mr. Kolta?
Kolita, he is from Guwahati. On next date,
Yes, madam.
Lordship, I'm on behalf of respondent number 2, and I have not received a petition of Deepak matter. 61/22.
Deepakkar.
Yes, Deepakkar's petition. We have not received till date.
Who is the council here? Mr. K. Tabang, Y. Pangu?
Mrinal Kolita.
No.
Why Pang is my junior? They are not the leading council.
No, I got it. But
were
they are not
petition
here.
council,
They are not here.
Not here. Except Mrinal Kolita.
What is your case?
My case,
Five.
my case is lordship.
Why should it be covered? There are materials against you.
My case is lordship. This complaint, kindly see the complaint. I am having a company. And the money in question has been invested over the company. That is the allegation.
That is something in the trial it will be coming up, not here. This is not a
And
case for
when-
portion.
When company is there and company is not a pet, the procedure.
Has
is-
the any
The
look,
company is not a pet company. In that event,
you
there is
take
other-
that plea before the trial court.
yes, we have
Charge sheet has not been filed. Charge sheet has been filed.
already filed.
Already filed.
Yes.
Discharge application moved.
Yes,
What happened?
already that is reserved.
Reserved.
Yes.
So why should we now enter into this?
Lordship, trial is going on since it is already long fake, Lordship. There are multiple accused person here. And we are suffering. We have to come from, one is from Bangalore and the other is from Bihar.
Okay,
There is
fine.
Hardship
There is-
is there.
That is no ground for hardship.
Even then, Lordship, particularly in this case, Lordship, when the company is not a pet company, the allegation is that they have invested the money over the company. Admitted.
This is
That
that,
is
what do you call that, chain business?
Civil nature. They have already filed money shooters, no?
You have not received the copy in item number 4.
Yes, Lordship. 61/22.
Miss
T. Mosang.
T.
Mosang.
Mosan,
Yes.
learned counsel, Miss T. Mosan, learned counsel, appearing for the respondent number 2 in criminal petition number 61/2022, submits that a copy of the petition has not been served upon her by the learned counsel for the petitioner. Also, accordingly, the learned counsel for the petitioner is directed to serve a copy of the said of the criminal petition along with its annexes upon the learned counsel for the respondent number 2 within 2 days from today. Also, Mr. T. Tapak, a learned counsel, appearing for the petitioners in criminal petition number 37/20, appears for the criminal petitioners in criminal petition number 37/2022 and criminal petition number 120. Mr. G. Taduk, learned additional PP, appears for the state respondents in all the above noted criminal petitions. Full stop. Accordingly, we will be filing, you not file anything. We'll have it for final disposal then. Tell me.
Lordship, I have been instructed just to inform regarding the petition.
But that's what I'm giving you that. Now what? Next
Regarding,
instruction. Registered to list those matters again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by it. So on the next date of listing, an endeavor would be made to consider the matter on its merits.
May I please? This is an appeal against conviction. In this case, I have been convicted to undergo RI for 5 years, my lords.
We'll
And,
have the records. We'll
otherwise,
admit
my
it.
lord, I'm a lady with 48 years of age and I have 4 minor daughters.
But the
my-
offense against you is also very serious.
My lord, there's a clear violation of certain statutory provisions. my
We'll
lord.
have it. Let us get the records.
Fine.
Heard Mr. J. Sirik, learned counsel for the appellants. Also heard Ms. You are appearing? Ginny, you are appearing? Oh, you're not, Miss, yes, Mr. G. Tadu, learned additional public prosecutor. Full stop. Admit. The appeal stands admitted. Issue notice. Mr. Tadu accepts notice on behalf of the sole respondent. Full stop. The trial court records, the scanned copy of the trial court records we call for. Full stop. Register to send the recusation for the same. Full stop. Register to list the matter after receipt of the trial court records. List the matter after 3 weeks. 3 weeks along with the lower court scan copy of the lower court records. Full stop. Interlocutory application. IAC Criminal 43 AP 2025. Issue notice. Returnable 3 weeks. List this matter along with criminal appeal number 10 oblique 10 AP oblique 2025. 2025. After
Since the conviction is fixed for 5 years, my lord. Some observation that on the next date endeavor shall be made to dispose of
the interlocutory application, man. The present application shall be considered on its merits upon receipt of the scanned copy of the trial court records.
10, my lord.
Same
order.
Same.
The accused is different.
Accused kali different hoga. There is IA may be same order. Just come. नहीं कोई बात में बोलो. Yes.
Lordship, this matter may pass over for time being. Sitting counsel is not aware.
Please, madam. CD was called.
But the neither the lower court records, trial court records, nor the service upon respondent number 2 is complete.
Yes, Your Lordship, even on the previous occasion,
It was not.
I had in fact made an argument with regard to that during the pendency of the trial, the limited power of the court to deal with the bail read by the accused, Your Lordship. If I may just place a very recent judgment, Your Lordship.
So far, my lord, out of 14, 10 witnesses has been examined.
10 witnesses have been examined. The IU and the doctor
Yes.
is left out.
Yes, ma'am.
If I may take Your Lordship to page number 3, starts with paragraph 14, Your Lordship. Lordship, this is an FIR of 10/7/2024, Your Lordship.
My lord, disease was brought to the hospital by the accused person. They were in the relationship now.
When is the next date fixed?
19th of June, my lord. Ah, 19th of June.
On that day, the other two witnesses would be examined, right?
Yes, ma'am. As per the witness list, there are 14 witnesses, madam. 2 doctors, 1 IO.
Two doctor and one the IO.
Yes, sir.
And what were you doing before this?
I was, my lord, accused was MTS staff from Chokidar in Trims Hospital, my lord. And his father is the UDC, Department of the Education.
And the doctors are from which institute? Trims itself.
Trims itself, my lord.
We'll wait till the doctor's thing is done. Wait. Because they are from the same place. So maybe some sympathy will be there.
Well, others, doctor, I will not dispute even the finding of the doctor also. The doctors.
No, you cannot. You can dispute by crossing them there. You cross them nicely. Seen the office note dated 23/5/2025, the trial court records as well as the service report as well as the service report of service of notice upon the respondent number 2 is yet to be received. Full stop. Registry to send a reminder for the scanned copy of the trial court records as well as for the service report of service of notice upon the respondent number 2 to the trial court. Also, registry to list this matters again. List this matter again on 19th. It is there. 19th.
Thursday or Friday.
We'll have it on 23rd. On 23/6/2020. This case would be slightly different than that because here the materials have already come on record.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Only the doctor and the thing, let that also be examined, then we'll consider.
Yes, in fact, if Your Lordship considers the prosecution witnesses at this stage while granting.
I'll not do that. I'm not even going into that. The thing is that after the prosecution witnesses are done, whether there would be a need for because he'll have to give his defense.
Yes, yes.
So whether that would mandate his release, that much only I'll examine.
Deeply.
Only for the purpose of adjourning the matter, I have called for detail, nothing else.
Deeply applied.
Yes, so
My lord,
the CD was to be produced.
we appeared, my lord, but our statement were not recorded. So, my lord,
Where is Mr. Opada? Get him.
Father is not here.
It's not here. Somebody, his junior, someone, anybody?
Get hold of it.
We'll see. We'll take it up after some time. If you can get hold of somebody, get hold of it. Simple. Possible. Next one also same.
Yes.
Next one also. 14/15 same. Mr. Pani, you have not filed the Dusty affidavit.
My lord, I'm sorry, my lord. The prayer was made by my colleague, my lord. I didn't even know. I don't think we have taken the Dusty also.
You have received the Dusty copy. Dusty, that is on behalf of Mr. H. Lona, advocate, Bagra.
I will check the records and do the needful, my lord.
Mr. D. Pani, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, submits that he be granted 2 weeks time to complete the service upon the respondents number 1, 2, and 3 by way of dusty mood and file the affidavit in this connection. Full stop. Prayer accepted. Registry to list this matters after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by.
What is the interim order?
Interim order, if any, to continue till the next date of this. Obliged. Who is appearing for respondent number 2? You are appearing.
No, Your Honor.
You are paying for the special.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
So service is complete here.
Lordship, the leading counsel is on the way.
No problem. The service is complete. We'll have it for admissions. It has not been admitted, I suppose. Scan copy I can. Come. So, send the office notes dated 3/3/2025 and 19/3/2025, which reveals that the service of notice upon the respondents have been completed. Full stop. Further, the trial court records, scan copy of the trial court records have also been released, received. Also, accordingly, registry to list this matters after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by it in the admission column.
And my lord, registry will be directed to mention the SPP SIT. In the course list.
Admission column by reflecting the name of the standing counsel.
L Kurdu, SPP SIT.
PP, name of the special PP bracketed SIT in the course list.
Lordship, interim may ground.
Interim order, if any, to continue till the next day comes.
Obliged.
Steps not taken. Press steps. Oh. Yes, madam.
Your Honor, we may be allowed.
145.
We may be allowed to take fresh steps, Your Honor.
Today, tomorrow.
By tomorrow?
Ms. Bhutia, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that she be granted 2 days time to take steps up, fresh steps upon the respondents number 1, 4, and 5 in terms of the order dated 29/1/2025. Full stop. On receipt of the requisites from the petitioner, registry to issue notices in term upon the said respondents in terms of the direction passed by this court, white order dated 29/1/2025. Registry to list those matters again after 4 weeks. Okay. 2 o'clock.
My lord, extremely sorry for item number 9 and 10, my lord. That matter can be discussed after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, okay. 2 weeks. 9 and 10. Will the records come by the times? Yes, Mr. Professor.
The matter question of only allegation is under 506. देख लेगा तुमको ठीक करेगा तुम लोग. This is the only.
That's the only one line.
Online. And my lord, I have number of decisions on this point, my lord. Even the abusive language.
Respondent number 2 has also appeared.
They also appeared.
So service is complete. We'll have it for admissions.
Yes, yes, yes.
And some endeavor may be taken, my lord.
You give me a date, Mr. Prakash.
My lord, 16th, my lord, I'm supposed to come.
Okay. Seen the office note dated 7/5/2025, service upon the respondent number 2 is complete, and he is represented by a learned counsel. Full stop. Mr. A.K. Purkhaista, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the matter be taken up for admission at an early date. Full stop. The prayer is not objected to by Mr. G.A.T., learned counsel for the learned additional PP appearing for the state respondents. Full stop. Accordingly, registry to list these matters for admission on 16/5/2020.
Yes.
So
interim order is
Interim
Interim order.
And my lord, some observation may be made. My lord, admission.
Mr. Purkhaista is here. We are bound to hear it. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing. Only absence of Mr. Purkhaista will create problems. seen the office note dated 23/5/2025, service report upon the response number 5 is awaited. So it is seen that the notices were issued on 9/4/2025. Accordingly, a registry to await completion of service upon response number 5 for 2 more weeks. For further 2 more weeks, huh?
If I may, Your Honor.
Yes.
Case-
Who is waiting for the, who is the additional PP appearing in this matter? Mr. Tadu, Mr. Jenny, Ms. Jenny. Why this was up to the concerned police station? Have you not got anything?
Nothing such. My
Mr. Tadu was there the last occasion.
if your lordship just allow me to.
Huh, you just get here. Let her have instruction. Password.
And in this case, I'm seeking adjournment on behalf of my senior, Mr. McPherson, because he's out of
Mr.
station.
Punning has serious objections. I can't help it. I'm ready with you.
Your Honor, may kindly fix this matter tomorrow, then he'll be available.
Okay, fine. No issue. No issue. Mr. Punning, after those amendments and all, does the DC still have this power to consider this matter?
Deputy Commissioners, no.
It has to be by the concerned court.
Yes.
And madam, you will have to satisfy me what are the reasons for this order. Because what he has drawn up as his conclusions are only questions. He has not given any conclusion here. Ms. T. Bhutia, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petition, submits that the arguing counsel, Mr. M. Party, on account of certain personal inconvenience, is not present in the court today and accordingly seeks an adjournment in the matter. Prayer is not objected to by Mr. D. Punning, Learned Counsel, for the respondents. Full stop. Accordingly, registered to list this matter again after 2 weeks on a date 255. There is an interim order status quo in your favor. That goes in your favor only.
May I please, Your Lord? Here, we have been served with the paperwork, but my prayer is that.
When were you served with that paper book? When were you given that paper book?
The paperwork was provided on the last occasion.
Last occasion means?
Yes.
A week back, 10 days back?
No.
I got it yesterday, so I went through it. I got it yesterday night.
Yes.
In fact, my lord, I haven't got it.
You have not got it.
So even this paperwork, there is a some relevant record which has not been with this paperwork, like is under
It is
section
with
1.
regard to that 3 persons who conducted that postmortem.
Yes.
Your case is that they have not factored in the injuries, but the injuries have been in detail mentioned.
Yeah.
And the second thing, that one of those ladies who was, I think, the chairman, the allegation is that she conspired with the accused,
Yeah.
and made out that to be a suicide, whereas you claim that it's a murder, but there is no material.
Lordship,
The finding is
some of the
That's why-
documents.
death by excess fear. That's all.
Excess fear, that is enough. It
There's a
can be
question of
many
suicide.
things. FSL report has got no place here because that is on a different issue altogether. That is with regard whether there is a poisoning or not. With this, what material do you have?
Lordship, in order to appreciate the entire episode of this case, the relevant record.
What happened to the main accused?
Well, trial is going on, my lord.
The trial is on.
Person with the
I don't find anything here.
164 statement is relevant here.
now
And that will be used
Trial-
for corroboration.
At this instance, when trial is going on, if this is allowed, my lord, it will have to be a retrial.
But here, no, that is a possibility.
Yes.
If that be so, we'll send you. to
Yes,
court.
if there are materials, of course.
But here, 164 would come in for corroboration.
Yeah.
So let the record be bring on record before this honorable court.
That I don't know. What is missing from there? What is that? That is missing.
164 statements.
The original records are here. Original
No,
is
madam.
here. No.
Trial is going on.
No, trial is going on. 164 of the accused
Yeah,
or of the
PWs.
PWs.
That is, my lord. What is the?
164 would have a different connotation altogether.
And trial is now at the stage, my lord, where most of the possible witnesses have been examined.
No, only if he can show me that from the materials available, yes, a
Exactly.
riba,
Yes.
a kundu and Ering are where the main persons who changed the nature of the death from culpable homicide to or murder to suicide. I'm with you. But I don't find, at least my limited knowledge, perusal, I don't find. Anyway, records are there. Your name, Mr.
D. Boje.
D.
D. Boje.
You're not, you're for, D. Boje, Learned Counsel, heard Mr. D. Boje, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. D. Panik, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondents. Respond number?
All, my lord, 1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3. Full stop. Mr. Boje submits that he be given 2 weeks' time to file an additional affidavit to bring on record the 164 statements of the prosecution witnesses, which he contends to be relevant for the purpose of appreciating the issue arising in the present proceeding. Full stop. Prayer is not objected to by Mr. D. Panik, Learned Counsel for the respondents. Full stop. Accordingly, a registry to list this matter after 2 weeks. Full stop. Before the next date of listing, Mr. Boje shall invariably bring on record the additional affidavit as prayed for. Full stop. In the event the additional affidavit is not so filed, this court would proceed to consider the issue arising in the present petition by basing on the materials already available.
Obliged.
Oh, Your Honor, this is the last item, but however, the leading counsel Deepak Gupta is on the way, Your Honor. If there's any possibility, the matter may pass over.
No problem. We'll have it.
Taken up.
May I please, Your Honor? I am for the respondent number 2, and I received the paper book on this Friday.
I received it yesterday night.
Sorry, Your Honor.
So we are on the same.
Yes, sir.
You're better placed than me.
By the only 1 week, please.
What is here?
Your Honor, I'm not aware of the fact, Your Honor.
Yes, Mr. Jenny. 2 witnesses, that girl and her friend, and you're a habitual one. You're for the informant.
Yes, sir. Am I custodial?
Informant. We'll help you. We'll read it together. We'll have it.
Yes.
Get it. Anything left? Do, 25. Possible. 25. This one also.
Lordship, on last occasion, the case diary was called for Lordship. Lordship, here Lordship.
No, before the case diary.
Yes, Lordship.
Who is for the petition?
Petitioner Lordship, he is absent today.
What happened to the service of notice upon the respondent number 2? No steps have been taken.
On behalf of
You are appearing
Yes.
for. First of Miss
The Tamukya Lodge.
the Learned Counsel has entered appearance on behalf of the respondent number 2. Accordingly, service of notice upon the respondent number 2 is complete. Ms. Hage, you have got the case diary.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship,
Miss
case diary I have got, and I have a Lordship, just little prayer, Lordship. This interim may be vacated, Lordship. Because Lordship, they have Lordship seek the interim protection on the basis of the Lordship FIR Lordship, where this Honorable Court has Lordship. He was Lordship on the belief that it is non-cognizable in the offense and it can be easily quashed, Lordship. But in the FIR Lordship or in the case diary Lordship, the story is completely different, Lordship. It is more than serious, Lordship. Lordship may go through the Lordship this statement of the.
What we do is, he's not there, we'll not change it. We'll have it after 2-3 days. You will retain the case diary.
Yes, Lordship.
Ms.
Then
L. Hage,
tomorrow, Lordship, if possible, Lordship.
day after. Ms. L. Hage, Learned Counsel, Learned Additional Public Prosecutor submits that a case diary has been received by her. She further submits that incriminating materials have been brought on record during the investigation against the applicant.
Yeah.
Full stop. However, ऊपर में लिखना none appears for the applicant on call. However, for the ends of justice, registry is directed to list this matter again on 27/5/2025.
Then
Ms.
on absence of that, Lordship, interim may be vacated, Lordship. If
we will consider.
Yes, Lordship.
Ms. Hage to retain the case diary till the next date of listing. Full stop. In the event the petitioner, nothing. Full stop. Okay.
Then interim may be till next date.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till 27/5/2025, on which date the matter would be further considered basing on the revelations made in the case diary.
Yes, Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
28. 28.
Finally, please, Your Honor. And by way of filing this revision petition,
Now tell me one thing.
yes, Your Honor.
What was the prayer of the respondent before the deputy commissioner?
That itself has not been reflected, Your Honor. If Your Honor will see the
Because
order.
if that prayer is for setting aside of that Kebang decision or something,
Yes,
then the withdrawal of the execution order will not cause prejudice. But if it is only for withdrawal of the execution order, then it is something. Because you had appeared before this court on the earlier also.
yes, Your Honor.
This court remanded back the matter.
Yes.
On remanding the matter, we find that there is something more which has been prayed for.
Yes, Your Honor.
The Kebang decisions may have been challenged by him because one goes against him. Why don't you get a copy of that order of the application filed by him?
Of the application, Your Honor. I'll do so, Your Honor. However, but if Your Honor will produce the order itself, the learned ADC has not cited any reason.
No,
for
no.
it.
This reason, if it is for consideration of an appeal, and that appeal is against a separate decision, not only for withdrawal, then this order may not be required to be interfered with. That appeal will have to be considered. That is exactly the direction passed by this court. You get me? What is that order?
Your Honor, may kindly fix the matter tomorrow. I'll bring the record.
Not tomorrow. We'll have it on Thursday.
Okay.
Any problem?
Thursday.
Friday?
No, Thursday is better.
Wednesday?
Wednesday.
Ms. T. Bhutia, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner, submits that the matter be taken up on 28/6/5/2025, on which date she shall produce the application filed by the respondent, basing on which the order dated 24/3/2025 was so passed by the Deputy Commissioner, by the Additional Deputy Commissioner, Mebu, which is under challenge in the present revision petition.
And the council is still on the way, Your Honor. For time being, this may be possible.
You have got anything here? Any detention is required?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Why?
In fact, the person has collected all the monies, Your Lordship.
Fine. This cannot be a proceeding to recover the money.
No, exactly, Your Lordship.
She is
But
in
then
judicial custody.
her account as well as postal register is required, Your Lordship.
That you will get it from the postal authorities.
She's not revealing the exact number, Your Lordship, of the account. If I'll just place. Is the CD, Your Lordship.
In all probability, an account was never opened.
Your Lordship, as per the allegation of one Santosh, Your Lordship, he used to give it in cash and it was then deposited to
She
the
used
lady's
to
account.
collect it, give it to the husband of the petitioner or then the petitioner. But that money was never, thereafter what happened, nobody knows.
Nobody knows, Your Lordship. Also the fact, Your Lordship, during the entire investigation, she had never cooperated, Your Lordship. In fact, a NBW had to be issued and she was arrested from Bihar, Your Lordship.
Yeah.
Counsel is on the way, Your Honor. I'm the counsel of the complainant, Your Honor. Informant side.
No, I mean, got it.
I already filed the objection petition and already served both the PP and the.
We are not concerned. This is not a forum for recovery of the money. It's only thing whether we'll ask her not to leave the jurisdiction of the court.
That can be done.
Report.
That can be done, Your Lordship. If certain strict conditions is.
We'll put stringent conditions. When is your counsel coming?
It's probably half an hour.
Oh, forget it. We'll have it day after, Wednesday.
Yes.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the full stop, it is submitted by Mr.
H. Thai.
H. Saying that the arguing counsel is not present. So accordingly, he prays that the matter be taken up on Wednesday. Full stop. Ms. T. Ginny, learned additional public prosecutor, has submitted that the case diary has been received by her. Full stop. In view of the prayer made on behalf of the learned counsel for the petitioner, the registry to list this matter again on 6/5/2025. Ms. Ginny to retain the scanned copy of the case diary till the next day. We will grant it, but put some conditions.
Objection for my side.
You file a civil suit for recovery of the amount. Criminal proceeding bail is not a place where we can ask her to pay you the amount and come out. That type of orders have been deprecated by the Supreme Court. Next. Mr. Pada is not here.
I have been told that he is on the way.
May I, my lord? My lord, Mr. Pada is, my lord, stuck in the traffic, my lord. Stuck in traffic, my lord. Due to.
So what to do? Has he got the case diary?
No, my lord.
No.
My lord, till the statements are recorded, my lord, the
What is your instruction? Mr. Pada has got the case diary?
Yes, ma'am. I think, no, not, ma'am.
Not got. You get it. We'll have it on Thursday. You get it. We'll have it on Thursday. A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. O. Pada, learned special public prosecutor, ACP, for an adjournment in the matter today and to take up the same adjournment in the matter today on ground of personal inconvenience. Full stop. Prayer is not objected by Mr. N. Pada, learned counsel for the applicant. Full stop. Accordingly, a registry to list this matter again on Thursday, 29/5/2025. Or we'll have it on Monday. You have an interim order operating in your favor.
Interim maybe my lord allowed to remain mine.
On Monday, next Monday. Second. Also, till the next date of listing, the interim order passed earlier to continue. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing. Next wala may be same.
Yes. Obliged, ma'am.
Same, huh?
No, in this case, on the last date, which was on 21st February 2025, it was recorded that the interim prayer shall be considered on the next date of listing. However, Your Honor, in this case, my entire purpose of
Madam, your respondent number 2 service is not complete.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor, I understand. And also, what I want to say, Your Honor, is that there.
That was through the, how did you take that steps?
Through the jurisdictional police stations.
Police station, what happened? You take your instruction.
Yes, I have already taken forwarded to the PS, concerned PS, but no any report till now received. CD, CD is received.
CD is received.
Yes.
Your Honor, if I may please.
Just
This instant case is for quashing of FIR pertaining to case number, Longding PS case number 10 of 2024. That is in page
25, 10 of 2025. 24.
24. That is page
10 of
57.
2025.
Page 57. FIR is page 57. Victim Y is 15 years of age.
And there's no purpose for the interim prayer left anymore, Your Honor. That
The
is what
current
I'm
bar was run as Procedural. And this applicant is an active member of that group.
You get the notice of what happened. Steps were taken. You will have to now get that instruction.
Yes. By next date, I will take this.
Mr. G. Tadu,
Your Honor, if I may please. In the meanwhile, what has happened is they've already filed the charge sheet. So the records of the charge sheet.
Go and get your.
I'll
This is
file
for
it.
quashing. Charge sheet filing will not undermine your this petition. This will remain. We can still consider. But the allegations are too serious.
Yes.
We are not on the basis of the allegations, Your Honor. We are only on the basis that there have been multiplicity of FIRs. This is the 4th FIR that has been registered against the accused person.
Your activities may warrant that also. We'll see. Mr. G. Tadu, Learned Counsel for the Learned Additional Public Prosecutor submits that he be given how many days? 10 days?
Yes. 10 days.
10 days time to receive instructions with regard to the service of the notice upon the respondent number 2 from the officer in charge, Pong Chau Police Station. Full stop.
Longding district.
Ms. T.Y. Bhutia, Learned Counsel for the petitioner is present. Full stop. In view of the above, Mr. Tadu is granted 10 days time to complete his instructions in the matter. Full stop. Registry to list this matter again on 9/6/2025.
If you wish.
Online.
Yes. Respondent number 2, victim. Bracket. Hearing concluded. Registry to list this matter again on Tuesday next for delivery of orders. Once they submit those, you keep it with you. Once they submit their written arguments, just give me that. By Wednesday or Thursday.
I will try to buy on tomorrow.
Yes.
May I please, Lordship. Lordship, I came to attend the item number 20, Lordship. But Lordship, before I reach the matter has already passed over your Lordship. I'm for the petitioner, Lordship.
Show me 20. Item number 20. Up here, I get 20.
The matter has already passed over, Lordship.
Because
So-
the service upon respondent number 5 was not received.
Lordship, yes, then Lordship, I'm allowed to take a fresh step and also for the dusty service, Lordship. And
Okay,
in the meantime, Lordship,
File to litigants.
the interim order passed on date 12.
We'll do everything. Just get your breath for a minute. Let the file come. Mr. Gupta, next time, better guess. Yes, for delivery of orders on Tuesday, next Tuesday. Third.
Item number 12, this is a bail application, regular bail application, Your Lordships. Yeah, we thought that this division bench will be sitting so late from Guwahati.
We have fixed it on when? 28/5.
Lordships, since the petitioner is behind the bar for last more than.
There is severe objection to your thing. You're not cooperating. You have not been doing it. So we fixed it till on. Just a moment, we'll consider that. Heard Mr.
N. Kumar,
You are for the
petitioner, Lordship.
heard Mr. N. Kumar. जो भी लिया है इसको काट देने बोलिएगा आगे जो लिखना. N. Kumar, Learned Kumar.
Kumar, yes, Lordship.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. Seen the office report, office note dated 23/5/2025, which reveals that service upon the respondent number 5 is not completed. Full stop. Notice upon the respondent number 5 was issued on 9/4/2025. Mr. Kumar submits that he be permitted to permitted to serve notice upon the respondent number 5 by way of dusting.
Yes,
Full
Lordship.
stop. Prayer is accepted. Petitioner to serve notice upon the respondent number 5 by way of dusty routed through the registry of this court. Full stop. Upon effecting such service of notice upon the respondent number 5 by way of dusty mode, petitioner to file an affidavit in this connection. Full stop. Registry to list this matters again after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by interim order passed earlier. Passed by order dated 12/3/2025 to continue till the next date of listing.
Obliged, Lordship.
इसको वो जो criminal case है ना 22 उसमें 24 उसका नंबर. Yes. When do you want it? You give me a date.
Lordship,
We have put it on 28.
29,
May.
29 if it's possible.
29, no problem. You took it, madam. 12 को क्या लिखा था? नहीं उसको लिखे Mr. H. Borwa. Right?
Lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard बाकी तो है ना? So and so. As prayed for by the learned counsel for the parties, registry to list this matter again on 29/5/2025. वो retain करने के लिए बोला ना case diary, वो लिख दीजिएगा.
Lordship.
She has received the case diary, same be retained till next. Okay? Nothing?